What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Color-Matched King Tour-Pak Luggage. This hard luggage was made for your motorcycle, right down to the color-matched exterior. In fact, it's the same Tour-Pak shape that comes from the factory on our limited models like the Ultra Limited. It is designed to provide maximum storage with a 27-inch width, 21.6-inch length, 13.7-inch height, and 5,800 cubic inches of interior space. This set here has a vivid black finish, but additional colors are available for purchase. Passenger backrest pads and the required Tour-Pak lock kit are sold separately, as is the necessary mounting hardware including the H-D Detachables Two-Up or Solo Tour-Pak Mounting Rack and docking hardware. To mount this hard luggage on your motorcycle, you will first need to install the 4-point docking hardware kit and the mounting rack. First, set the Tour-Pak in place on the support. Next, secure the Tour-Pak. With the King option, you'll need to install 4 hex flange nuts from the underside of the Tour-Pak rack. Note that if you have the chopped version of the luggage, there's a slightly different installation process here. Check your user manual for this installation process. Adjust the Tour-Pak to the desired location and tighten. Finally, install the mat inside the Tour-Pak with ribs up. And there you have it, the finished product. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.